Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Change English. My name is Ethan, and today we're going to practice English by talking about a happy and common topic, celebrations. This will be a slow, clear, beginner-friendly podcast-style shadowing session. You can listen while resting, walking, or doing something simple. Just listen and repeat with me. Don't worry about mistakes. You are here to practice, not to be perfect. Let's begin. Can I share something with you? Can I share something with you? Today I want to talk about celebrations. Today I want to talk about celebrations. Celebrations are happy moments. Celebrations are happy moments. People celebrate special days. People celebrate special days. Celebrations bring people together. Celebrations bring people together. First, let me tell you how I feel about celebrations. First, let me tell you how I feel about celebrations. I feel happy during celebrations. I feel happy during celebrations. I feel excited. I feel excited. I feel connected to people. I feel connected to people. Celebrations make life more joyful. Celebrations make life more joyful. Let's talk about common celebrations. People celebrate birthdays. People celebrate birthdays. People celebrate weddings. People celebrate weddings. People celebrate holidays. People celebrate holidays. People celebrate achievements. People celebrate achievements. Every culture has celebrations. Every culture has celebrations. Celebrations can be big. Celebrations can be small. Both are important. Both are important. Now let's talk about birthdays. A birthday is a special day. A birthday is a special day. It celebrates the day someone was born. It celebrates the day someone was born. People give gifts. People give gifts. People say kind words. People say kind words. People eat cake. People eat cake. Birthdays make people feel special. Birthdays make people feel special. Now let's talk about family celebrations. Families celebrate together. Families celebrate together. They share food. They share food. They talk and laugh. They talk and laugh. They create memories. They create memories. Spending time together is important. Spending time together is important. Let's talk about food in celebrations. Food is part of many celebrations. Food is part of many celebrations. People cook special meals. People cook special meals. People try traditional food. People try traditional food. Food brings people closer. Food brings people closer. Now let's practice some useful celebration phrases. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let's celebrate together. Let's celebrate together. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. This is a special day. This is a special day. Now let's talk about music and decorations. Celebrations often have music. Celebrations often have music. Music makes people feel happy. Music makes people feel happy. People dance sometimes. People dance sometimes. Decorations make places look beautiful. Decorations make places look beautiful. Colors, lights, and balloons are common. Colors, lights, and balloons are common. Now let's talk about feelings during celebrations. I feel joyful. I feel joyful. I feel thankful. I feel thankful. I feel excited to share the moment. I feel excited to share the moment. Celebrations help us forget stress. Celebrations help us forget stress. They help us enjoy the present. They help us enjoy the present. Let's practice asking questions about celebrations. What are you celebrating? What are you celebrating? How do you celebrate birthdays? How do you celebrate birthdays? Do you celebrate with family or friends? Do you celebrate with family or friends? What food do you prepare? What food do you prepare? Now let's practice simple answers. I'm celebrating my birthday. I'm celebrating my birthday. I celebrate with my family. I celebrate with my family. We eat together. We eat together. We enjoy our time. We enjoy our time. Let's talk about simple celebrations. Not all celebrations are big. Sometimes we celebrate small wins. Finishing a task is a reason to celebrate. Making progress is a reason to celebrate. Small celebrations matter. Now let's talk about gratitude. Celebrations help us feel thankful. We appreciate people around us. We appreciate moments in life. Gratitude makes celebrations meaningful. Let's practice motivational lines. I enjoy celebrating life. I appreciate special moments. I am grateful for today. I like sharing happiness with others. Now let's talk about celebrations and culture. Different cultures celebrate differently. That makes the world interesting. Learning about celebrations helps us understand people. Respect is important. Now let's finish with calm shadowing. Celebrations bring joy. Celebrations connect people. Celebrations make life brighter. Every celebration is a chance to smile. Okay, my friends. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did a great job. Shadowing is simple but very powerful. Talking about celebrations helps you learn real English for real life. Come back tomorrow. Practice again. Grow again. I'm Ethan, and this is Change English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye for now.